The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, northern Essex County in northeast New Jersey, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:48 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Caldwell, or near East Hanover, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Fairfield, Bloomfield, Pompton Lakes, Wayne, Passaic, Patterson, Hawthorne, Ridgewood, Hackensack, Ramsey, Paramus, Oradell, Bergenfield, and Norwood. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Sunday evening for northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, and Passaic